Hi dear friends! Today I will show you how from this mess to make something looks more like 1930s. To be honest, this can be kind of 80s, but tutorial will be about 1930s. So how from this to make do this. 1930s inspired hairstyle, very easy and fast. If you know some tips, so follow this tutorial and I will show you everything. Also a little announcement that this summer I'm starting my own brand, so stay tuned. For this tutorial I'm using foam rollers overnight. I will add a link how I'm doing this in description of the video. Then with a regular brush you just brushing the hair. I'm starting with the head down because it's giving you access to all the hair which are on their bottom, so it's really nice, and that's how I'm doing it. And we are trying to start with the ends and then go into the roots. After that, actually with a teasing brush I'm removing a volume in a first part of our hair. It will be fluffy at the ends. It's in 1930s they was doing something like this. So at the start we will create a wave, very smooth, and then fluffy ends. This actually the goal of this hairstyle. As you can see, it's very easy and fast hairstyle if you made foam rollers overnight. With dark bill clips I'm making the wave more structured and then fixing everything with a hairspray, starting with the smooth part and helping with my fingers or a brush. And I like to use a fan to make the hairspray dry faster, because I'm always, as you know, adding few layers of hairspray, like a lot. And then we cover in with the hairspray all the hair, few times. You are waiting when first layer is dry, then next and next. I think 2-3 it will be enough. I always understand that's enough when I'm touching my hair, and it should be not soft. Nowhere soft. Everything should be covered with a lot of hairspray. Hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial and you will try that. Don't forget to follow me, to like this video, and don't forget to check my brand. I will leave a link in description, and this top on me is actually from my collection.